This is our home, Sierra Leone.
Good day to my people in Sierra Leone. My name is Mr. Trouble, the only one, aka the Dog Dem Family. I title this Odo Sierra Leone history in comedy. The tell where God be they make the world. That time they una all not be born yet, but some of we be there now na this world. God be make the world. Sierra Leone he make am for a purpose. Where God be don't make the world. Now he creates the angels them. Now he send all the minerals them. Now the countries them where he make. Now he say Sierra Leone I make am for a purpose, and Sierra Leone I make am as me bank. That I for keep all the resources, minerals, I for keep them inside this country. Now in the angel them be so jealous, they say, God, why you take all the minerals them and the resources, you don't come to this country? Now in God say, he say, I so love this country, and the people them where I get for make for send to that country. Now people them we get for get hatred in their minds, and they not go ever appreciate what the leader they do for them na their country. So God be make this promise to the angels them. Now in the angels they say, well, you not the living God, nobody will know the question. Would they watch to what you say? So now begin the cause where God can create we and send we in this country called Sierra Leone. Where we come na this country, the first leader where God sent for we, Milty Magai. He do in level best na this country. Sierra Leone people them not still appreciate to what that do. Now in God send Albert Magai. He do your level best. Nobody not appreciate for what he do. Now in God send Sekapi Stephen. He do all kind things na this country for let Salongo develop. He build all kind houses them for let Salon go develop. Sierra Leone people them not even appreciate to what in that do. Now in God send back Momo come, he do in level best, he do what him Motalman for do na a country. Sierra Leone people them not even appreciate to what him Momo do. Now in begin the cause where God be send MPRC government na Sierra Leone, where the leader of Captain P Strasser, where in come he do in level best, because in love in country the same people them turn around back overthrew that mandate because of the mandate do goodness na Sierra Leone, in the do well na Sierra Leone, and in loving country he ready for die for this country. So the overthrow where they overthrow Strasser begin the cause God be vexed, he bring war na Sierra Leone. That's begin the cause where then chop people their hand, then cut people their hand. So God be decide for send Pakaba na this country. Where Pakaba become because of the Sierra Leone people they not be appreciate to what they do, then be meet a biggest war na this country. That probably say even if in a fall na in left, he ready for rule that fall day. That is the leader where God be send again when na Pakaba. So Pakaba in back become he do in level best about anything where Motalman they think about. Sierra Leone people them not even appreciate what in that do back. In not tap today, the same Sierra Leone people them form team for the Sanko bring Charles Taylor, then can form a war na this country. That's begin the cause where people them be lost their life, rebel them cut people their hand, then spoil property, damage people them they like today. Some of the people them they work on the street, they not get hand, they not get foot again. Some man get open down. Now in the cause where God be sorry for we par the war waiting and waiting we don't lost in the side for bring good leader for we again we name Anesbai Koroma. Anesbai Koroma come na this country, he no meet nothing, he no meet harara na this country. He decide for make this country to the highest degree where we for think about this country. He make all the roads them na Sierra Leone, in give we good light, and in give we water for drink, in give we good facility of medical. The Sierra Leone people them turn around against this power, talk bad against this power, talk waiting they no fit for talk. So God be so vexed again and decide for say them people they are they no get true believing, and they no go ever appreciate again to waiting the leader they do. Because we not love good things, we not love ourselves, we not love Sierra Leone, and we know they appreciate to what we leader they do. God decide for send Julius Madabio for castrate this country. When Madabio come na Sierra Leone during in campaign, all the infants them be they cry the man no die yet. Una listen to waiting be they go on na the campaign. They no get no other slogan what them bring na Sierra Leone. Na this slogan na them bring na cry then they cry. When na Julius Madabio, Julius Madabio. Then be they cry for the man, he not die yet, and he not even become a president yet. 2018, finally, Mada decide for win the election and then give him this country. The country no go, no say yet, when they bring other slogan, what they call the Grand Ride. He said this Grand Ride, the same people them turn around again, then begin say, if I be no, if I be no, That is the music now, then they sing around the country.